Hello, my name is swissbianco. In this video I will talk about the details of the red Alox Sea Rancher Swiss Army knife. We see already the different features open. We have the main blade here, the pruner blade, screwdriver with bottle opener, and here is the wire stripper notch. And then the marlin spike sacking needle. It is a 2-layer Swiss Army knife, relative compact. Handle length is 93 millimeters. So here on the back side we see the big cutout that is made for give room for the sacking needle, and there is also the engraving plate, so you could engrave your name or a number as you want. Because it's only 2 layers, it's relatively thin. The tool combination is absolute unique. As I close it up, we see on the back side how the sacking needle part here is nested into the cutout. If we compare to this Apocalypse Green Swiss Army knife where there is no cutout, we see how much got removed of the scale. The sacking needle feature unfortunately is no longer made. It's pretty much out of production, so the number of Swiss Army knives that we got done with this feature are mainly collectibles. They are relatively rare, so we could not make a bigger number as we would like to have to, so that pretty much everybody that come in time could get one. Yeah, it is how it is. We try our best with the resources that we have available, and it's still pretty much a miracle that we get such Swiss Army knives done, and I like it a lot for my own use, for my own collection, and to make other people of course happy too. That was from start the idea. That much about the red Alox Sea Rancher, a 93mm Alox Swiss Army knife that was made by Victorinox as a limited edition for Swiss Bianco.